She had no choice. She had no choice but to sue her friend. Her friend actually told her, listen, you don't have health insurance, go ahead, bring a lawsuit against me, my insurance will cover this. You want to learn what this is all about and why my client actually had to sue her friend? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, this was a scenario. She went out on a boat with her friend. They'd gone out with a number of people on the boat. It was out here on Long Island. And now, during the course of having a great afternoon, the driver of the boat, the owner of the boat, is operating it and he's going at a fast speed. And now there's an approaching boat. And what does the driver do? He does nothing. Now, you know, if you've ever been on a boat before, somebody who's experienced, they know how to cut the wake. Now, what does that mean? It means that when you have a boat that's coming in the opposite direction, you'll notice that there's a wake. The water actually moves out of the way based upon the propeller and based upon the waves that it creates from the propeller moving the boat forward. That's known as a wake. Well, what happens if you're going ahead and now you encounter that wake at a certain angle? What will happen is that now the boat will encounter that wave, it'll go straight up and then come crashing back down. And that's exactly what happened here. And now the driver of the boat didn't say anything. He just went right over that wave, and now everybody in the boat went flying up and came crashing down. But unfortunately for my client, she came crashing down on her ankle, down the steps leading down into the bedroom area, collapsed her ankle, and totally shattered it. She needed significant treatment. She was in a cast for a lengthy period of time, and unfortunately for her, she did not have any health insurance. So now, the boat owner, the family that owned this boat, turns around and says, listen, at the hospital, they said, I know you don't have health insurance. Go ahead, bring a claim against our insurance company. It's not a problem. And so that's exactly what she did. She brought a claim against the insurance company, and guess what? The insurance company refused to pay. They said, hey, our client, the owner and operator of the boat, is not responsible. And so you know what that meant? It meant that the only way to get the insurance company to pay was to bring a lawsuit. And that's exactly what we did. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because there are certain instances where you may have no other choice, no alternative, but to go after the insurance policy of the person who was driving the car or who was driving the boat or who you believe was careless and caused you injury and harm. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Now, this doesn't have to be about a boat accident. It could be about a car accident or some other type of accident that you've had here in the state of New York. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.